Cool enough out today. The bees don't seem to be too wound up, which is good because my phone battery keeps going dead and my smoker keeps going out. Part of being a novice beekeeper, I suppose. Well, got plenty of smoke in my eyes, and we got some honey out. Didn't go as well as planned. I didn't get the camera in the right spot, but oh well, first time. Let's see how the old hand spinner did on these deep frames. Pretty well got her out. I'll flip her over. Try again. The honey's drained out. Put all the cappings in the strainer. Let it set for a while. Getting the final out. Actually put that in this pan initially. So you got some more honey in here. Now it's fully drained and we're gonna start putting it in bottles. Here we go. Got her set up for the bottles. I got my lovely assistant, Bailey, getting ready to do some bottling. Got 44 bottles over here. My helper got them out for me. Got them all filled up. Pretty good year for us. Now I just see if we can get that sold. Well, thanks everybody for watching the video. Bye.